Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be unboxing and review the Baseus Solar Emergency Car Flashlight. In the box, you'll get a USB cable and the Baseus Solar Emergency Car Flashlight. Very light, small, and bright, its red flashing light feature makes it a good item to keep in our car for emergencies. I love that this charges by solar power, so this will be great for camping. It comes with an adjustable leather belt handle for hanging and carrying. Charge fully can run for 2 hours, built-in 1000 mAh battery and solar panel. 3 light modes, solid white, strobe red, and SOS. It comes with 2 strong magnets inside that allows you to conveniently attach it to your car or any iron face, freeing your hands while you are working or repairing your cars.